Hello, and thanks for watching this Model M barrel and blade assembly video. This process is extremely simple, so let's get started. First, unplug your machine. Then, remove the hub and the fins inside your cutting chamber. Remove your hub screw and welded key, making sure to place them in a safe location as you'll need them to put everything back together. Next, remove your top and bottom blades, carefully storing them on the side of your machine. Remove the stainless steel barrel and hook onto the machine like so. Now let's put this back together. Simply insert your barrel into the opening, lining up the bottom of the barrel with the slots on the machine body. Lift the hopper door slightly so you can insert the bottom blade. While inserting the top blade, be sure the hub aligns with the hub key opening on the inside of the hub, as well as the notch on the outside of the hub. Insert your hub key and hub screw as seen in the video. Replace the hub cover and fins to their original location and close the lid. Your Model M dry trimmer is ready to go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check us out online at GreenBroz.Inc. and come check out our new facility and showroom out here in beautiful Las Vegas, Nevada. Book yourself a demo and fly on out today.